Today, we will talk about how to get your girlfriend to forgive you. Let's have a look at the details. Getting your girlfriend to forgive you may not be easy, especially if you really hurt her and betrayed her trust. If you want to get on her good side again, then you have to show her how truly sorry you are and make it crystal clear that it won't happen again. Once you do that, you have to be patient with her and give her time to accept your apology. If she's ready to move forward, then you can take it slow and work on rebuilding your relationship. The first step is having a talk. Give her a sincere apology. If you want to get your girlfriend to forgive you, then the first thing you have to do is to give her the most sincere apology you're capable of giving. This means you have to suck it up and see her in person instead of sending her a lame text. Make sure you pick a place where you can get some privacy and a time when she is ready to hear you out. If she's too angry to talk to you, then respect her and give her some space until she wants to talk. When you talk to her, make eye contact, put your phone away, and don't look around. Keep it short and simple. What's most important is that you make it clear how sorry you are. Make it clear that you really do take responsibility for your actions. Don't say something like, "I'm sorry that you feel that I did something wrong." Or, "I'm sorry you got so mad when I..." This kind of talk puts the blame on your girlfriend instead of you and makes it seem like the whole situation is all her fault, even though you're the one who did something wrong. If you really want her forgiveness, you should avoid this kind of talk at all costs. Be honest with her. If you want your girlfriend to really forgive you, then you should be honest with her about what happened. You don't want to tell her a partial truth and have her find out the rest later unless you want her to be even angrier with you. If you ever want your girlfriend to really trust you again, then honesty is the best policy. Promise her it won't happen again and stick to your word. If you really want to make her see that you're sorry and that you mean it, then you should make it clear that whatever happened absolutely will not happen again. Just remember that actions speak louder than words. Giving her your plan not to hurt her again will go a long way, but making sure to stick to your word is even more important. Show her you'll change. If there are specific steps you need to take to not do what you did again, then you should tell her exactly what you have planned so she knows you're serious about not being a repeat offender. Look her in the eyes and tell her what you plan on doing to be a better boyfriend and better person. She'll be touched that you tried as hard as you did if you show her that you really do want to improve and won't go back to your old ways. Listen to her. It's likely that your girlfriend will have something to say to you about what you've done, and it's important for you to take the time to really listen to her. Make eye contact, don't interrupt or contradict her, and don't say anything until she's really done speaking. Make her see that you really value her opinion and that she matters so much to you. When she's done, let her know that you've heard everything she said by carefully reflecting on her words as you speak. Let her see how much she means to you. When you apologize to your girlfriend, it's important for her to see how much of an impact she's had on your life. Tell her how amazing she is and how you're a fool for putting your relationship into question. Remind her of some of the best things you love about her, and let her see that you're really upset that you hurt her. While you don't want to sound too much like you're sucking up, you should make it clear that you really care for her and don't want to lose her. The second step is earning her trust back. Give her time if she's not ready to accept your apology. Even if you've said your part and have done a convincing job of showing her how much you wish you hadn't messed up, it doesn't mean that she's going to jump back into your arms. She may not be ready to accept your apology or even to spend another minute with you. If this is the case, then you need to be patient and not put pressure on her to accept your apology before she's ready to. You're the one who made a mistake and now the ball is in her court. Take it slow. If she doesn't want to spend 24/7 with you right now, then you have to be respectful of that. She may be slowly coming around to spending time with you again, and you have to be understanding that she needs some time to try to ease into the relationship. Spend time doing casual things, like watching TV or eating lunch together, and don't try to whisk her away on a romantic dinner date or weekend vacation if she can barely look at you. Start slow, doing the simple things you used to love to do together, and take it from there. Be dependable. You have to be as dependable as possible if you want to rebuild your relationship. You have to be there for your girlfriend and make her see that you're going to help her out if she needs a ride or a favor. Show up for a date at the time you say you'll be there, and be there for her if she's upset and needs to talk something out. Dependability is one of the most important qualities of a good boyfriend, and if you want her to trust you again and to feel safe with you, be available. To earn her trust back, you have to be available when she tries to reach you. This doesn't mean you have to drop everything to do what she wants you to do, but it does mean that you should try to pick up your phone as quickly as you can when she calls or texts you. Don't try too hard. While it's important to go out of your way to get her to trust you again, you don't want to be trying so hard that it seems like you're putting on an act or not being yourself at all. Don't give her any reasons to be jealous. If your girlfriend needs to forgive you because you were unfaithful to her, then you have to make sure she doesn't have any reason to be afraid that you'll do it again. When other girls are around, you can talk to them, but don't openly flirt with them or stare at them. Do what you can to make her see that you only have eyes for her. Slowly return to doing the things you love together. As you work to make her forgive you, you and your girlfriend can begin to do the same things you used to love together. Whether it's hiking, cooking, watching all of the year's Oscar-nominated films, or going to trivia night with your friends. You shouldn't force it. The third step is returning to a healthy relationship. Make her feel loved. As your relationship gets more and more stable again, you can make sure that your girlfriend knows how much you care about her. If you're already saying, "I love you," then you shouldn't forget to say it at least once a day. If you're not, make sure you compliment her and make her feel good about herself when you're together. Let her know and see how happy you are to be with her and how much you love dating her. Find something new to do together. Though returning to your old routine can make your relationship feel more stable, you can also work to discover new things together to keep your relationship fresh and to do things that don't remind her of the time you hurt her. You can discover a new sport, take a class together, or even take a mini vacation to a campsite or beach over the weekend. Don't just do whatever she wants to do to please her. Try to find something new and exciting that you both will love. Communicate openly. In order to maintain a healthy relationship, you have to be committed to communicating openly and listening to her as often as possible. Don't keep your feelings bottled up inside or become passive-aggressive when you're mad. Instead, make time to talk to her about any problems in your relationship so that you both feel that you're on the same page. Make sure to really listen to her and address her concerns while making her aware of how you're feeling. Strong communication is key for any strong relationship. Work on moving past the incident. Once you've apologized and have worked on rebuilding a healthy relationship, you have to be able to move past what happened. If you both keep bringing up what happened all the time, then you won't ever be able to fully move forward. Know when the damage is done. Unfortunately, there may be times when your girlfriend won't be able to forgive you, no matter how hard you've tried to change for her. If you've done too much damage to repair the relationship, then it's important to be aware of this so you both know when to cut your losses. If you've been trying to make things feel normal for months and just keep going back to what happened, keep fighting about the past, and still can't open up to each other, then you both may have to accept that you can't fix the relationship anymore. If you have to end the relationship because of what you did, then the best thing you can do is view it as a learning experience and make sure not to make the same mistake again. Thanks for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.